Hi guys, let's talk about the royal castle in Warsaw. Is a royal residence that formerly served throughout the centuries as the official home of Polish monarchs. The personal offices of the king were located in the castle. The castle has been renovated repeatedly and destroyed completely during World War II. It was rebuilt between 1979 and 1988 using castle remains and rubble. Today, the segment with the clock tower opens the way to the old town. The castle underwent large-scale expansion and was transformed into a 5-wing edifice with an inner courtyard, more a palace than a castle. This building is the pride of Warsaw. Since 2013, the royal castle in Warsaw has formed a part of the prestigious Association of the Royal Residences of Europe, currently associating 30 institutions from 15 European countries. Among the historic castles and palaces, there are such museums as the Palace of Versailles, the Schönbrunn Palace, as well as the royal palaces in Madrid, Naples and Turin. Handing the reconstructed royal castle to the nation was an act of honoring all of those who, during the occupation with the greatest dedication and risking their own lives, saved the castle and the castle artworks for the future generations. So, Warsaw is interesting city and not so simple. So guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe the channel. Bye bye.